Hello everyone, Techy here. First of all, sorry to everyone, I know the video is coming after a very long time because of a busy schedule. Anyways, in today's video I'll make a Spider-Man Deadpool meme realistic in Photoshop as you've seen in the thumbnail, so let's begin. First of all, I am cutting out the roof part with the help of pen tool, then copy the ground part from it and distort it. After that, place the sky and cut out the board from the image and change its color to blue using hue and saturation. Then give it a glow using a blue solid color with linear dodge selected on it because it is the main source of light in the background. Then blend the whole environment. Copy the board layer and decrease its lightness to make its shadows to give it a realistic look. And apply Gaussian blur to it to give it a blurry look. It is very important to use different overlays of particles or lens flare, etc., because these things take your artwork to the next level. Now it's time to blend the images to the environment and give them shadows and highlights so that it will look more realistic. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, also like the video as well so that YouTube recommends the channel to more people. Now back to the topic, place the flowers and adjust it in the hands of Deadpool and give it some shadows and highlights so that it looks real. You can easily make the quotation symbol with the help of ellipse tool and pen tool like this. After some adjustments and camera raw filter, the artwork looks like this.
Pam, 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 pam.